How to download and install the Milestone credit card application. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In Android devices, you'll have to tap open the Play Store in order to download and install the Milestone credit card. Go to the search bar and type in Milestone credit card. Tap on the option and it will give you list of different applications available. Tap on the one that writes Milestone Financial Services. Next up, tap on the install button, which should immediately now start the downloading process. Along with the download, it will automatically install the application once downloaded. However, the time of download may depend upon how fast the internet connection is. Once the download has been completed and installation has also been done, you will see the open button pop up. You can now tap open it and the app will open. If there are any updates, make sure to tap on the update button. Now you can log in using your credentials and you're good to go. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.